Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might.
So we waiting for this market to open so we can catch a couple trades. So I'm gonna do some scalping today, and y'all can leave in the comment if y'all take any trades today. But right now it's 9:28, so we got a few minutes before it's time for us to trade. So I'm gonna pause it, and then once I'm getting ready to get in the trade, I'll get this going again, and we'll show what we working with. Quick update, had to change it up because for some reason my order's not showing on my TraderVate platform when I put them in on my TradingView platform, but they working because you can see when I'm in an order, but for some reason it ain't showing it the lines when I get on the when I'm on my TraderVate platform. Ours not showing like where I'm putting my buys at, so I'm just gonna record the ones off of TradingView, and then you'll hear the order field that let you know that I am in on TraderVate, and you can see the little symbol up here in the corner saying that I'm linked to TraderVate. So we'll get back though when I get an order in, and then I'll show y'all. Look like we might be able to get in one. Oh, it done pulled back on me, so it's playing around on us again today. Where it's going sideways. Just all this sideways stuff. But come on down. I'm gonna pause it. Wait for it. About to get hit, it look like. If you keep coming down a little bit, it keeps stalling like right over it. I don't know what's up with the volume. It's been like this for the last 2 days. It's kind of like it's the holiday season or something, or the summer. Come on, buddy. See, it got like right by my order, and then started bouncing. I'm gonna pause it again, I guess. I don't want to wait too long. Oh, it's coming back down, so we gonna just sit it out. But yeah, the market been trading like the holiday season for the last 2 days. I don't know if it's got anything to do with what's going on. People scared, trading scared, or don't want to invest. But whatever it is, it's slowing the market down right now. At first we was getting some nice swings. One candle, 60 points. Now it's way down compared to what it was. If y'all been watching in the market. Yep, it's bouncing again on me. I'm gonna pause it out. This time I'm gonna just wait till I'm in the order to unpause it. Yeah, y'all can see. I don't know, it's pushing. Come on. Alright, it got me in. So now we're gonna try to get a quick little bounce up, and we're gonna exit it. A little bit more. Watch the volume come in now and push my stuff down instead of bouncing up. I actually was just looking for it to come back up here to the 20 a little bit. See if it had tapped that, so I could have got out. But they want to play with me. So we'll see if we can get this mug back up. Otherwise, first trade gonna be a L on the day. The biggest candle though in the last 15-20 minutes, the one that tapped me in. Probably should have moved my order. I ain't gonna lie. Or I even took smaller size on it because I don't like the way these candles look for real. Because they ain't like, it's either you going up with no wick or down with very little wicks. Like the wicks is small on them. Besides these candles. But come on, baby. It's trying, but yeah, it's probably gonna go through that. What is this where I got it at? I need to move this down a little bit. At least break the lows. Oh, we might be getting out. We covered a red candle. That's what we need. Catch that, pop back up to where that red candle at. Yeah, that should have been more where my stop should have been anyway. Ooh, that stuff. It's trying to push it down now. The sellers done came in. Yeah, look at this red going through. Sellers stepping in. Yeah, this thing ain't messing around. It went right back into this though range. I want to sit here. I'll be taking orders like right where it want to just sit at and not go back through. Come on, well, you'll take that. You'll just take it. 112 on that one. That's not my so in one of my other accounts when it wasn't working, if for some reason my orders weren't showing, I ended up making $20 on it because I took a quick one, because when I put in on the trading view, it wasn't showing the orders on Tradeovate. So I ended up having to fix that. I got it fixed as y'all see. But if y'all have that problem, if y'all like trading on TradingView and Tradeovate and you using TradingView to place orders, make sure up here where it say this MNQ M6, because this morning it changed to the next quarter. Make sure on the TradingView you got the same, like the next quarter put up too, because it won't show your lines no more. That's what my problem was. It wasn't showing the lines because I changed the quarter on Tradeovate but didn't change it on TradingView, and it was probably showing them on the old what is it, MNQ, I think it was like H and a number right here. So if you have that problem, that's probably what it is. But I'm gonna go ahead. Ain't no areas for me to really put no order in except for down here that I really like. These down here is too small because I'm looking at the wicks. So like they ain't really holding like that. So it might break through and just dump out. This wick from 50. Yeah, this only a 7-point wick. That ain't enough. So anyways, I'm gonna if I get an order in, I'll come back and show y'all where I'm at. I also, with my funded account, if I get something in, I'll let y'all know. But this was just a test account, just for y'all, just to keep y'all up to date. All right, hold on. I actually didn't catch that entry, but this mud been playing with me. I don't even want it to go down that much more. Dang, it's probably gonna stop me out. Cause look at these candles, they kind of got big all of a sudden. But this candle, I was just getting ready to move my order, and it messed around and popped up to this order. But it came down to here and ended up not taking my, or coming all the way. It came back down to the open and started pushing again. So come on. Just come back down to that green line. Let me just take it off. I ain't trying to be greedy here. Bro, look at that. Come down to the green line. Sometimes patience pays off. Sometimes you get cooked. That's just how it is. I'll wait for the next one. Probably, hopefully, it come back down here, because I'm trying to catch it down here by the bottom of this wick and the VWAP down here. So we'll see. Otherwise, and I'm trying to get my double bottom with my funded account, or maybe to come back up near the top. I can catch a double top. Either way, we looking to get into something. So I'll be back if we get another trade off. Ooh-wee. I didn't get to get this mug playing in time. This mug popped down on me so fast. But let's see if we can catch this quick trade. They trying to hold this bad boy down. Come on, buyers, step on in. Step on in. Step on in. Step on in. Oh, it's about to stop me out. It's probably about to be my last trade. I got orders sitting up here and down here, but it ain't pushed. Well, it ain't pushed nowhere near them. This bad boy about to come down and stop me out. Come on. You want to. You want to. You want to, baby. Give it to me. Anyways, so the strategy that I'm using is mainly trading off of wicks, because it's already showed that it was like it held in those areas, and I put stop outs up under the wicks. Those just scalps. But doing that, you got a good probability that you're gonna get some kind of movement back up out of that wick, and but you only take it like a small profit, so you can lose way more than what you can get. But unless it just all of a sudden spring in your direction on you, but you want to take what you can get, so you just trying to get like quick little scalps out there, because a lot of times you will get it to go back in your direction a little bit. Take it off, run with it, base hits at the end of the day, win. This one up $399. That's all I'm probably gonna do with this account. If I could get my double top, double bottom, that's where I'm gonna end it at though, is if I get that. But this account, I'm done for the day. If y'all like this type of content, go ahead, hit that other one up there. I left one. I'm gonna leave one up here for y'all, and y'all can watch that video too. All right, later.